Ever wondered why a Libra man, known for his charm and diplomacy, walked away from you? What if you could turn the tables and make him realize he's made a huge mistake? Stay tuned as we reveal how to make a Libra man regret losing you. And trust me, you don't want to miss the ultimate strategy coming up. Libra men, with their captivating charm and a strong sense of justice, always seek harmony and balance in relationships. They're drawn to beauty and a peaceful environment, but their indecisiveness can sometimes lead them away from those who truly matter. Understanding these traits is the first step in making him realize what he's lost. To start, living your best life is key. Libra men are attracted to individuals who radiate confidence and independence. By showcasing your happiness and fulfillment on social media, you become irresistible. Engaging in personal growth and showcasing new skills or hobbies not only makes your life richer, but also shows him what he's missing. Maintaining connections with mutual friends plays a crucial role too. Stay in the loop and let the positive buzz about you reach his ears indirectly. When you bump into each other at social events, let your renewed confidence and joy do the talking. Now, if he reaches out, maintain a friendly but reserved demeanor. Your life is full, and he should see the vibrant world he's no longer a part of. It's not about making him jealous, but showing the positive changes in your life. And now, for the strategy that ties it all together, ensuring he doesn't just regret losing you, but also sees the value you bring to the table. This one's a game changer. Loved these strategies? There's a link in the description to a case study of a homely college senior from Ohio that reveals one secret from astrology to force a Libra to chase her down, even if he's cold, mean, and unbalanced. Don't miss out on this exclusive content that could change the way you approach relationships forever. If you've used these strategies or have more to share, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and sharing in your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more insightful content on navigating relationships, personal growth, and much more. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Remember, it's not just about making a Libra man regret losing you. It's about becoming so aligned with your worth that anyone would regret not being part of your life. Keep shining, and see you in the next video.